Hello! Tuesday, nearly Friday. What do we have today? We have a Samsung tablet charging port job, yeah? This is a Samsung Tab 4 7-inch one. And on the charging port, let's see the charging port. You can see the charging port? It's not even there, the pins, I mean. Is gone for good, yeah? So let's replace this charging port quickly. This is an easy job. Check for the memory card. You have some clips here. You can't really go wrong with this job, On a scale from 1 to 10, where 10 is the most hardest job, this is 1, yeah? Actually, the tablet is working, but it's impossible to charge, as the charging port is broken. Okay, now you have to take the board out. But first, take the battery out. Don't play with the power on the board, You'll feel more comfortable if you know you have no power there. You have the touchscreen ribbon cable, you have the screen ribbon cable, and now you have your screws. Okay, let's take the board out. And the board is out. And we have a classic charging port there, yeah? I will take the charging port out. That's the charging port. Let's use some liquid flux. Okay. Let me find a medium nozzle. Hot air. Hot air, 500 degrees. 500, quickly. You can take this out. Yeah, so the charging port is out. Let's check to find another one. You see, I told you it's easy. No, it's not that one. Hopefully I have one. Oh yes. Oh yeah. That's the charging port. Let's take one out. How we'll solder the charging port? Be careful, because here probably you have some Wi-Fi Bluetooth thing. So comes with the hot air exactly here, yeah, on the back. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's put some flux. Okay, let's put a new charging port. And let's come with the heat from the back, yeah? Okay, the charging port looks fine. Let's test now, yeah? Or first, let's cool down. Yeah, I have my thermal pad. Yeah, now it's cold. Let's check. Usually, it's a good idea to check the pins. But, you know, I have that feeling it's everything alright. Let's plug the battery. Okay, let's plug the charger. We have the USB power meter on the corner there. There, yeah. And it's charging fine, 1 amp. 1 amp. Yeah? I told you it's easy. 1 amp, that's mean it's charging great. Yeah? That's what I'm expecting from a job like that. Let's feed the board on the right way. Everything is fine. Yeah, let's put the screws back. You see? It's nothing scary. If you feel something is not alright, you can solder the pins with a solder iron. But usually it's okay. Everything is fine. Everything is nice. Let's put back the cover. You can't go wrong, you know? Yeah, everything is on place. Plug the charger, 900 and something milliamps. I mean 1 amp. It's okay, it's a small tablet. 1 amp for this battery is fine. Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 SM-T230, yeah? So that's the way how you do the charging port on this tablet, yeah? Thank you for watching and see you later. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Bye.